back in November, we got the news from Pulpamex that in his first week with Ducati, Justin Barcia had broken a collarbone. Now, that's normally not the worst thing in the world. I mean, we've seen people race a week after that. This one's a little bit worse, considering it's one that he had already broken and had plated. At the recent SMX media days, he continued, or confirmed this, saying, quote, "Yeah, I broke my collarbone the first week riding with the Ducati, so a bit of a hiccup there. I broke the edge of my plate that was already in there, so it's a little more tricky than a normal collarbone. And I had to take the plate out and put a new one in, move it over, so there's a lot of little holes from the screws that were there. So just in the waiting pattern right now, obviously, I've been able to start training off the dirt bike, but yeah, it's tricky. I like to keep it extra exciting though. We didn't have enough excitement with the new team, the new bike, so had to go and have a little hiccup. And yeah, it's a shame, but just week by week." Now, obviously, with Anaheim 1 30 days or something like that away, the goal apparently is for him to be on the starting line. He hasn't been on the bike in 4 weeks, and as of right now, I think he said he's like 3 weeks out, so there's still probably a week before he's even allowed to ride. So it's going to be a short-term training camp for him, which may not be a bad thing, honestly. Get on the bike, just have fun, no real expectations. I mean, obviously Ducati's going to want to come in and be competitive and winning, but it's just kind of what it is. I mean, at this point, it's going to be a really short boot camp, get to A1, and just kind of work the bike through the season. I'm excited for it. Ducati coming in general, is a good thing. Another big OEM. I like Justin Barcia. He's always a fun time. And if you want to watch his whole Instagram post, he did post one himself. It's going to be at the end of this video. But that's what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Are you excited for Ducati coming in? How well do you think they're going to do? Him and Dylan Ferrandis on that team. How well do you think Justin Barcia is going to do? Are you excited for him to be on it? Whatever it is. Are you excited just for A1 and for racing to be back? Whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And peace.
What's up, guys? Thought it was about time for an update. Obviously, our team announcement happened. Stoked to be back with the whole Truly Designs, Red Bull, Ducati Factory Racing. Pretty amped about that. Obviously, we had media day. I'm sure everyone heard the announcement that I did end up breaking a collarbone. Yeah, only 3 weeks ago. So yeah, only had about a week or so on the bike. Things were going good, but yeah, just had a weird crash. Got really lucky to only break the collarbone. So yeah, healing process has been yeah, doing the best I can. Obviously, being cautious, letting that thing heal up. Obviously, had a plate in there, had to take plate out, put a new one in. So a little more tricky than usual, but yeah, I've been working with Dr. G and yeah, my trainer Joe out here in California. We've been doing everything we can to get this thing healed as fast as possible. Hoping to be back on the bike as soon as possible. The goal is obviously to be at the first race still. Yeah, will I have a lot of time on the bike if I do race? No, but I've been doing it a long time. I think I got the most starts on the gate right now out of anybody still racing, so pretty rad. And yeah, I'll use my experience and just build through the season. So everything's going good though. Working hard to get back on the bike and just letting the body heal, but figured I would give everyone an update. Everyone deserves that. All my fans have been sticking behind me, but I'm really thrilled to get going this year. Yeah, this is just a little speed bump in the road. We always push through things, so no big deal. But yeah, really happy and proud to be back with the Truly Designs crew, everyone at Red Bull, and then obviously Factory Connection as well, Ziggy and all the boys. It's a bit of a home reunion with all the guys that were at Geico that are on the team now. So, and obviously Ducati, how sick is that? So yeah, we're gonna do everything we can to be really good, get the bike working. Obviously new bike, there's gonna be lots of challenges, but I have a group around me that can make things happen and get me comfortable. So can't wait to get back on the bike, get back to racing, and yeah, show you guys what I got. Happy holidays.